Hey, what's going on? Joshua Elder here. Welcome back to the channel. Today in this video, I want to show you exactly how I've generated well over $4,000 in right around 40 days, working very part-time, leveraging a simple system and leveraging email marketing. What we're going to do in this video is you're going to copy me every step of the way. And I've just been duplicating this for roughly it's been almost 40 days now. And we're in the middle of this series as we know it, as you're watching it. I've been doing these activities every single day, and this is the result that I'm getting. So if you'd like to copy me, make sure that you follow every step within this video. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel and tick that bell icon to be notified of every video that I upload when I upload it. So tomorrow, there's going to be another video available in this series. So it's crucial that you are the first to actually be notified so you can check out the video, so you can complete the given activities. So what we're going to do is we're going to obviously show you, number one, that this is possible for anybody out there, regardless of your current experience level on the internet, regardless of how much you've struggled. This has worked for me, and this can very well work for you if you're persistent and consistent with this process. So what you're going to notice is a few instructions below this video. The first step is to join the $25 business, which is the all-in-one digital business academy. And the cool thing about this is once you click that link, you'll come to this page that looks something like this. And not only do you just pay $25 per month, but you're actually able to earn 80% commissions. So you're able to earn $20 in commissions from this specific product. And you can see right here, just from a simple $25 product, we've done over $4,700 in commissions. So all you need to do is follow me, follow every step of the way, and you can start potentially producing the same results. So what you're going to do is you're going to come to a page that looks something like this. You're going to go ahead and you're going to click on, yes, I want access for just $25. Then you're going to come to a video that looks something like this. This just verifies that you are legitimate, that you're not some scammer, that you're not going to charge back your credit card, that you are somebody that really wants to change your financial future. And this does a great job of filtering people out. And not just that, the retention on this product is incredible. Typically with most products, like if you were to go to a clickbank.com, for example, and go to the marketplace over here, you're going to notice that you can promote a lot of different products. You can click on the start here, button right here. You can go ahead and sign up. Once you get inside of the marketplace, there's tons of products to promote. But the problem with a lot of these products is the retention so low. We're talking 10%. So you're going to have 10 people that sign up for a residual product. And after 6 months, about one person is actually going to keep their subscription. Whereas the All-in-One Digital Business Academy, you pay that $25 per month, and you're not only able to earn $20 commissions off of that, but when you bring people in, the retention's like 60–70%. So after 6 months, there's about 6 to 7 people that are continually paying that $25 per month. So you might be wondering, well, what are we promoting? What are we selling? This is a digital marketing product that teaches people how to build a brand, how to build a following, how to improve and grow their business using and leveraging the power of the internet. So you can take the strategies that are taught here and you can apply them to a current business. You can also apply them to promote the All-in-One Business Academy too as well, by itself. So what we're going to do here is we're actually going to get signed up here. As you can see, it redirected automatically. Go ahead, get signed up. And then once you scroll down here, and what you'll want to do is go ahead and tick this box and sign up for the HBA Premium, because I'm going to show you exactly why this is important later in this video. You can obviously test drive it for 2 weeks, cancel before the 14 days are up if you choose to do so. You can go ahead and do that. But this is something that you're going to want to need throughout this whole entire process. So you're going to go ahead and enter your credit card information here. You're going to go ahead and check this box here, and you're going to go ahead and complete your order. Once you do that, what you're going to want to do is sign in to your members area. You'll receive your login details through email, and you will likely create those login details when you first sign up. So come to this page, you'll go ahead and you'll log in, and you're going to see this right when you log in. Do not worry about any of these tabs here other than the affiliate zone. So you're going to go ahead and click on the affiliate zone. You're going to scroll down here, and you're going to go ahead and watch this video here, and you're going to sign up for the affiliate program here. Once you sign up for the affiliate program, then you can jump over here. Okay, this is called Samcart, which is the service that basically takes care of the commissions and the payouts on behalf of HBA, Home Business Academy. So you can scroll down here and you can grab any of your affiliate links right here. The one that I like to use the most is the all-in-one $25 business sales letter. This is obviously the page that you came across when you first signed up as well. And it looks something, again, like this. Very familiar, right? So once we've acknowledged that, what we want to do next is we want to get traffic to these links, okay? Well, we're going to use a service known as MLGS. And you're going to go ahead and you're going to see this service as step 2 below in the description. You'll go ahead and click that link, and then you'll go ahead and click on Use My Secret Now. You'll enter your email address, you'll sign up for this service, and what this service is going to allow you to do is send out 100 emails to different prospects every single day. And not only 100, but every day you're going to get an extra 100 email addresses added to your database. So day 1, you get 100, day 2, you get 200, day 3, you get 300, day 4, you get 400, so on and so forth. So every single day, we're going to have emails designed for you using artificial intelligence, AI. This is pretty cool stuff. And you're going to learn how to use this inside of the HBA traffic and conversion section. But you'll be able to take these emails, import them here into MLGS, send them out with your HBA affiliate link, and start bringing in commissions. And this is exactly what I'm doing on a daily basis. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over to my lead gen secret here. We're going to click on members login. So once you've created an account, you're going to go ahead and log into your account. And then you're simply going to go to create a message right here. Now, the cool thing about this specific strategy is it's a paid strategy. So you pay a small monthly fee, and they're going to send you leads every single day that you can then email. Whereas with free advertising strategies, that takes a lot of time to build up. You're talking 60 to 90 days. So with free advertising, such as this very video here, you have to spend time to create the content, to upload the content, edit the content, and then rely on the algorithm to get the content out there to viewers. And that can take some time. So you're sort of trading time for money, but it's also leverage because this video is going to live out there on the internet forever and drive endless views while I'm sleeping each and every day. Whereas with paid traffic, something like this, the advantage here, and of course there's advantages and disadvantages of free advertising versus paid advertising, as you're noticing. The advantage here is you pay and you get leads and potential sales instantly out of the gate. Okay. So you're basically paying money and you're getting traffic versus paying time, spending time and getting traffic. So all I need to do is select all right here and then enter a subject line and then go ahead and send out the email with my HBA affiliate link, and I'm getting leads and potential sales right out of the gate. And that's what I love about not just having free advertising and paid advertising, but having both work together. And later on, we're going to be teaching you some free advertising strategies. So just please stay tuned. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to jump back over to HBA. You've created your affiliate account. Now we're going to go over to the HBA Premium that you clicked the little checkbox for to sign up for the trial. What we're going to do is we're going to go to Immersion Magic Content Machine. And this is going to create a subject line, and it's also going to create a body for our email using and leveraging this little magic content machine, aka artificial intelligence. So we could write an email subject line about making money from a $25 product, for example. And I can click on Go Immersion. It's going to think, and it says, make dollars with just $25, start now. So what we can actually do is we can copy this over, and we can jump back over to My Lead Gen Secret, go to the subject line here, paste it, and we've got a subject line in literally 5 seconds. Then we can jump back over here, and you can create different variations of this. Check it out. I can just keep clicking on Go Immersion. So I'm not going to be creating videos every single day all the time. I do my best, but when I'm not creating videos on emails to create, you can just use this cool little immersive content machine to create your own emails. So what we're going to do now, and subject lines, of course. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to say, write an email. I'm just going to remove this here about making money from a $25 product. Okay. We'll click on Go Immersion, and we're going to see a result of an email. While it's doing that, one thing I want to mention is you can get as many MLGS accounts as you want. You can get 5 accounts, 10 accounts. You can get a dozen accounts. It doesn't matter. The cool thing about each of these accounts is they build up over time, and you're getting this compound effect, and you're getting 100 leads per day to each account. And once you start bringing in people to My Lead Gen Secret, because you'll make commissions off of that, they'll upgrade you to 200 leads per day, which is really, really cool. So just imagine having 10, 12, 5 accounts, whatever, that are just compounding over time and bringing in more traffic, more leads, and more sales. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go back over here, and you can see that they've given us a subject line as well right here, but also they've given us a body. So it says, Dear Name, I'm excited to tell you about an opportunity to make money with a $25 product. With this unique product, you can easily generate multiple streams of income. The product isn't a digital course or an ebook or a subscription service. Instead, it's a physical product that people can use in their daily lives. It's not only affordable, but can also generate more revenue than ever before. You can see a little bit more here, and thanks, and then your name. So we can actually modify this a little bit. So let's go ahead and copy it. Let's jump back over here and go to our body, and let's delete here, and let's simply paste. Once we paste, we can go ahead and we can just delete this here, and we can erase anything that's not applicable to the product that we're promoting. Because it's digital, this says it's a physical product. Okay, we'll put it's a product that people need if they want to start or grow a business online. It's not only affordable, but can also generate more revenue than ever before. Plus, this product includes a comprehensive marketing kit complete with templates, professional graphics, and snippets of ready-to-go content. We don't really need this. Again, we can, as we go through the product and we understand on a deeper level what HBA actually is, we can input our knowledge of what it actually is right here. So we could put, plus, this product teaches everyday average people how to go from zero to generating a full-time income online, just working part-time. All right, and then I could just delete this last part here. The potential earnings can be extraordinary with the built-in scalability. You can grow your business as much or as little as you'd like. If you're interested in learning more about this product, click the link. I'll click the link here, and let's click the link here to learn more. Thanks, your name. I can just put Josh, and then all we need to do is jump over here to our Samcart, our affiliate dashboard. We'll copy the all-in-one $25 business sales letter here. We'll jump over here and we will go ahead and highlight this and then click the link, the hyperlink here. And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to paste. Once we paste, we're going to click on OK. Then we're going to click on perfect timing. Then we're going to click on send email. You're going to notice that it's thinking here for just a moment. And boom, the message has been queued with your affiliate link, and you'll get leads and potential sales here over the course of the next 24 hours. So complete the instructions below and stay tuned for the next video to get notified of when that video releases. Again, subscribe, tick the bell icon, and you'll get notified instantly. Thank you so much for watching this video. Follow all the steps below to get started, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next one. Take care.